Today I'm going to be reviewing GXGGUS No Soliciting sign. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. These are double-sided. They're made so they're fade resistant. It's corrugated plastic, so you don't have to worry about weather. So they're weather resistant. They hold up pretty tight. Now, this is what it looks like without the stake. I have one here where I put the stake in. These are also rust resistant, pretty normal. These are the 12 by 12s. Here's my hand so you can get an idea of the size. This drives me nuts when people come around and solicit and you don't want that. Certain areas, they have even stickers you can get from the police department. But something like this should help. And if they come to your door, you can just point to this and just walk away. It's an Amazon choice. 300 plus of these were bought last month in October 2025. It's 4.6 stars, 266 reviews. Make sure to check to see if there's a Black Friday sale and also the other signs that they have. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.